Okay, this is my pressure washer, and it's looking pretty bad. These white ones are called bushings. These are all melted. The seals are all melted, so the seal goes over there. The white one is called, I think, bushings. So my parts came already. This is the rubber seal, and AR2. I think these are the codes. Alright, so coming back with these repairs. Comes in a 6-pack per order, comes in 6. This one as well. Okay, managed to put those 3 on. Alright, they're kind of hard because the fitting is really tight. Rubber seals. We're gonna go over here. I just greased them. So they sit like this. Put them right like that. Now what we need to do is put the screws back and we're done. That's it, guys. Okay, so before I change that, it was spraying on the other side, all here. Turn it on. Alright, nothing else. Okay, so guys, in YouTube, the things that I found was they changed the whole assembly. This is, I think, $75 or $80. Okay guys, just remove 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Replace these bushings and 3 seal. I'm gonna put on the link I found in Amazon. It's very cheap, $10. Thanks guys for watching.